As the world strives to decarbonise and governments incentivise with policies and funding, demand for electric mobility and energy storage is rising, accelerating the need for large-scale battery gigafactories. Battery production capacity is scaling rapidly to meet surging global demand, but growth brings new pressure. As demand surges, manufacturers face a tougher environment. Overcapacity, falling prices, and mounting challenges to scale efficiently while protecting margins. The challenge is clear. How can you produce high-quality batteries at scale while meeting delivery, throughput, cost, and sustainability targets? Siemens Smart Manufacturing for Batteries enables a modern, intelligent plant with a comprehensive digital twin to design and validate battery cell production, pack assembly, and battery energy storage systems integration. By virtually designing and validating machines and processes before implementation, manufacturers can reduce risks and accelerate ramp-up from pilot line to gigafactory. Real-time data, enabled by edge devices, AI and industrial IoT, supports better decision-making, enhancing traceability, minimizing scrap, and maintaining consistent product quality. Our cybersecurity solutions protect your production environment, while operational insights help increase agility and improve performance. Unlock intelligent battery production with Siemens Smart Manufacturing for Batteries.